Blame it all on fate. He's the one who got us thinking love was something fake.
Okay, whoa. Do not drop this. Hey fuckers, it's your homie Jenna, and today we're back with Ilona. And we're gonna tie-dye today. Hopefully this doesn't fall. Like, look at our setup. Look how cute. Yes. Everybody say hi.
Hello.
Georgie. Hi. So this is what I got right now. This was like a faded black, so hopefully it turns like burgundy or purple. And then this is how this one looks. That's a lot of white right there, but you know, we're not gonna look at that. It's fine.
There's like awkward patches on mine.
Oh my goodness. Look at my, wait, look at mine.
It's like right where like the seam is, you know?
We might have to do another round. I think it needs more bleach. It's not bad. Oh shit! Oh my god. It looks amazing. Oh my god, it's great. I love it.
It's just like a nice baby blue. So yeah, I really like this one. It's really light, so I can put that. So try some more.
Y'all, I was just like looking at my backyard and there's like a ferret or something in my backyard and I don't know. I'm not even quite sure what it was. It looked like a 2 feet like prairie dog. Dude, it like literally stood on its hind legs and it was like 2 feet tall. Maybe like 2.5 feet. I don't know what the fuck that was. So for the pink Nike sweatshirt, I decided to bleach that on our second round of tie-dyeing and bleaching. So that is where that one is. But I do have the other sweatshirt and I'll show you what it looks like. Look at it. Can you see? Like blue and black all over it. It's like quite evenly like placed. And this is what the back looks like. So yeah. Also, I got this shirt, I think, either from Target or Kohl's. It's like tie-dye Rolling Stones. When you can't even see it, but yes. So that's the end of today's video. Subscribe if you want, or not. Bye!